Greetings, chemists. Today is Wednesday, April 28th. Today is the last day that I will be gone. Again, we will not do an opening or closing question in my absence, so don't worry about that. But I need to show you the last bit of content that you will be doing today in order to get ready for your test, which is tomorrow, Thursday. April 29th is when your test is. So we're going to do a little bit of new content here yet today, and then tomorrow is your test, and we'll do a review assignment as well today to help you get ready for that test for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get right into our stuff for today. So let's go into, here's your main page of Schoology right now. Let's go into week number 6, because that's where everything is that we need. Scroll down to the bottom, okay? And what I need you to do here today is these notes on molar conversions, okay? Do what we always do with our notes. Watch the video, take some notes, then do the note quiz at the end of the video, okay? So that's what you need to do with this molar conversion notes, okay? So watch the video, take some notes, do the note quiz at the end of the video, okay? Then I need you to do this practice molar conversions. And I'll get this to load, okay? And I've got a bunch of questions here that you need to do in your science notebook, okay? Make sure when you are doing these problems, you are showing your work with units, okay? I mentioned that in yesterday's assignment, okay? Again, the same thing goes whenever you are doing a math problem in science. The big thing is you put your units down, okay? That's the big difference between science and math. In science, we write our units down so that we give a more of a concrete understanding as to what does that new number mean, okay? So make sure you have a unit with it, okay? So, and then when you are done with these problems, there is an answer key to check to make sure that you are doing things correctly, and to hopefully dispel any errors that you may be doing and to get rid of any questions that you may have, but you can check the answer key there. And then when you are done, take a picture of your work and submit it over here onto the Dropbox side over on the right-hand side, okay? So that's what you do with the molar conversion practice, okay? So that's the new material, okay? So the notes molar conversion, practice molar conversion, okay? Then we have this review assignment, okay, to help you get ready for your test for tomorrow. And what you're gonna need this Unit 4 learning target, okay? These are the learning targets that we have covered in this unit that we are in Unit 4. And there are 9 learning objectives, okay, or 9 learning targets that we've covered. There are technically three learning targets, and in each learning target, there are 3 learning objectives. And so you're going to use these learning objectives, okay? So you can see I can classify pure substances from heterogeneous and homogeneous. I can explain how compounds interact via intermolecular forces, and I can model the various phases and phase changes of substances, okay? These 3 are the learning objectives under learning target number 1, substances and mixtures. And we have solutions and solubility and molarity and moles, okay? So those are the learning targets, and you're going to use those in this review assignment, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to go here to this practice Unit 4 exam review, Okay. And there are 3 possible ways of doing this, okay? You're going to choose one of the following activities to complete, okay? Watch the video to know what to do and how to submit your work to discussion. You are welcome to do more and to do more for more practice, okay? You will need to access the Unit 4 learning targets that are found in this week's assignment list, which is what I just showed you, okay? Have it open in a new tab for easy access. So I've got it up here at the top and so in another tab so I can switch back and forth between it, okay? You're going to want to do that, okay? But here's what you can do, okay? You can create a Kahoot quiz, okay? And you can make 2 questions per learning target. There are 9 learning objectives, so 2 questions per learning objective. So that means that you would have to create 18 Kahoot questions. More is always better, okay? So that is one possible way. Or you could create flashcards using Quizlet, okay? Again, watch the video so that you know what to do. And again, 2 flashcards per learning objective. That's 18 flashcards, okay? Or you could create a concept map using Lucidchart, okay? Again, 2 linked concepts per learning objective, and there are, again, 9 learning objectives, so that means that you would have 18 concept shapes, okay? You need to do one of these, okay? You get to choose which one that you would like to do, and then when you're done, you will have a link, a URL, and you are going to submit that link to the discussion board, okay, down here. So it says after you submit the link and complete the review assignment to the form below, and then watch the video to know exactly specifically how to do. You can explore other submissions so that you can help prepare for the exam. So you can review other people's works and see if you can't answer those people's questions and help you get ready for the test. Okay? So that is what you need to do to get ready for the test. That is your review assignment, is to create one of these web-based review platforms. Okay? And like I said, watch the video out of each one of these so that you know what to do and how to create it and how to take the link that you get at the very end and how to submit it to this discussion board when you are all done with it. Okay? And that will be the review assignment. And again, you need to have this learning target file open up next to the assignment. So you have 2 tabs, one next to each other. It works out way easier to do that, okay? So that takes care of the stuff that we need to do for today. So again, you need to do the notes, the molar conversions, then the practice molar conversions, and then do the review assignment, okay? And then make sure that you are ready to roll for your test for tomorrow, which will be when I get back, and we can do a little question and answer session when I get back on Thursday to see if we have anything questions about any assignments or concepts before we do our test on anything. Okay. But yeah, that takes care of that. So good luck. Have fun creating your little review assignment. It's supposed to be kind of fun because it gets to do these little online platforms, a little different than doing a review worksheet. So meant to be something different. Okay. So good luck, and we will talk tomorrow. All right. Bye bye.